3 ways you can help your kids start to learn about money. Hi, I'm Jess Irvine, personal finance expert, and I'm here outside the Moneyverse for the launch of Kit, the new financial capability app for kids. The app has 3 key features which have been brought to life today, so let's check them out. Earning pocket money can be a great way for kids to start learning the true value of money, and you'd be surprised how entrepreneurial they become when they learn that they can earn money by doing chores around the house. Helping your child to set up a savings goal will help them to start to delay those purchases they want to make, whilst also letting them get the enjoyment of watching those savings grow over time and the accomplishment of buying something they really want. Our kids today are digital natives, but they're still at risk of being scammed, and it's important to educate them about the signs. It can help to teach them about common scam methods, show them examples of scams, and explain what to do if they spot one. Hint, tell an adult. Teaching your kids these essential skills can help set them up with good money habits for life. To learn more, search Kit on our website.